Oh, damn, is that Saquon? Saquon the Stingray?
And then, what? Tiki, what is that?
It's Barkley out of the backfield. Barkley slips 2 tackles and picks up the first down, jumping up in the air.
It's crazy to think that this is one of the most dangerous animals on the planet. Like, this is what I imagine a Russian submarine is like. Oh, wow. That's actually beautiful. Could you imagine opening your front door and just seeing one of the best light shows in the world? It's insane to think that that's completely natural. Holy crap. See, I never knew harbors were that deep. I've always had a fear of them because I feel like there's crabs and gross shit in the harbor, but knowing that there's giant whales under there, that is terrifying. The ocean's scary, man. Oh wow, that's quite romantic. Oh, and they're both male lions. 2 gay lovers at the beach. How cute. Oh, wow. That is terrifying. I bet you wherever that's filmed, there's at least one person driving just being like, I gotta make it home before dinner or the wife's gonna kill me. Like, it's crazy to think that, like, our ancient ancestors used to just, like, chill in this or be in a cave somewhere. Like, it's a miracle we've made it to where we are now. Oh man, is that an oil rig? Those things are terrifying. I tried playing Still Wakes the Deep and I just can't finish it. Oh, hell no. Bunch of sharks. Yikes. So definitely not falling overboard anytime soon because you're just going to get eaten by a bunch of sharks. That's wild. Don't oil rigs also just have like the toilets that just you could poop right into the water in? Scary. I feel like they're just training these sharks now if somebody falls to just eat whatever's there. You know, anything that falls overboard, just immediately attack it. So this probably doesn't bode well in case they fall off. Wow. Those look like white tip. I think those are white tip sharks. Whenever a boat crashes, those are actually the first things that arrive. Like, they search boat wrecks and stuff like that immediately. Very cool. Oh, that's quite cute. And are pangolins just like Asian armadillos? Is that what that is? You tell me that thing caused COVID? That's... Guy's too cute to cause COVID. Come on. Man, that is very cute. Just having a good time in the mud. Wow, that's beautiful. Oh, wow, that's even more beautiful. Wow. Is that like the Angel Falls in Venezuela or whatever it is? Amazing. Ew, that's gross. think there's a lot of women who put their makeup on and look exactly like that out there. You don't need to put your makeup on, guys. Oh, damn. See, that just makes me think we're so helpless in the water. That's just not our realm. We're not meant to be in it.